Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you some facts and tips about making money online. These are the things that no one tells you, but you need to hear this. So let's get started. Making money online is exciting, but it comes with some realities that you must know. Firstly, consistency is the key to success. You must be consistent in whatever it is that you are doing if you want to generate real income from it. So, if you are selling products on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, or whatever platform, you must be real and consistent. Secondly, be creative. You need to make sure your store is attractive and you are selling trendy products on it. Because these days, people mostly follow the ongoing trends of social media. So be active on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter or X, and then stay up to date. Next, keep searching more and more every day. There are hundreds of job opportunities that keep on updating every day. For example, doing transcription requires minimum skills, and the platform GoTranscript offers jobs for it. All you need to do is create your account and then start watching videos to transcribe them. You can easily earn up to 0.60 cents per audio or video per minute. After an easy account creation process, you can start earning from it. Building a sustainable income online doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Whether you are starting a blog, an online store, or a YouTube channel, it takes time to gain traction and see significant returns. Be patient and stay consistent. Building relationships and networking within your industry can significantly impact your success. Whether it is for collaboration, mentorship, or gaining exposure, don't underestimate the power of networking. Also, if you want to stay successful, you must meet your customers' demand. If you are launching any product in a region, let us say you want to sell or are already selling products on Printify and your targeted market is USA, you must be aware of the needs of the customers. For example, the events of Christmas and Halloween can help you have more sales if you are selling related products at the right time. So take your time while customizing your design or during product research, because it is an important factor to consider if you are working in e-commerce. If you are making money from YouTube or planning to do so, you must know these things. Firstly, make money from different places, not just ads. Try getting sponsorships, using affiliate marketing, selling stuff, or asking for support on crowdfunding sites like Patreon. This helps you have a steady income. Learn about SEO to help people find your videos easily. Use good words in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Talk with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback, and this will create interest and engagement with them. Also, this builds a community and helps your channel grow. Try to upload videos at the same time regularly. This keeps your audience interested and loyal. You don't need super expensive equipment, but good tools make your videos better. Also, keep getting better at editing and making videos. And remember to follow the rules about using other stuff in your videos to avoid problems. Don't just depend on YouTube's system to show your videos. Share them on social media, work with other creators, and actively tell people about your channel. Sometimes the YouTube system can be strange and trends may change. Be ready for ups and downs and focus on growing for the long term. So these are some important things you know, and you must know. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.